Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to do a quick video to show you how to replace an air filter on a 2013 Subaru BRZ. The air filter that we're using is going to be EP Auto brand filter. This is the part number GP482 or CA9482. But let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do is open the hood. And this is where the air filter is, right here. And so we just need to pop these clips off right here. And spread it apart just enough to pull the old filter out. And notice this is the orientation of the filter. This part is in the front. This is in the back. So this is how we're going to replace it. This tab goes down on it goes this way, so bottom left. So we're going to make sure that we put this tab on the bottom left as well. We line up the bottom pieces, and that is it. That is how you replace an air filter on a 2013 Subaru BRZ. Thanks for watching, and this video helped. Please consider subscribing and giving it a like. Thanks.